Hey friends, today is the launch of Sunrise Sunset, the 9th Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead. The theme, Sunrise Sunset, evokes every beautiful color from bright, beautiful yellows to neon oranges and dusky blues and purples. This is the perfect box to inspire your upcoming spring creations. John Bead has been in the bead business for over 70 years. They carefully curate each box and fill it with beautiful beads from all over the world. This month, they've even included loose, vintage, faceted stones and Czech seed bead mixes that are unique only to John Bead. Let's jump in and take a look. And be sure to subscribe to this amazing monthly subscription bead box. They sell out quickly. Okay, here we go. Here's the postcard with the theme and the story that inspired this month's selection of beads. Every month, peeling away the tissue paper is like opening a treasure box. This bag has twisted glass in sapphire and topaz grooved glass ovals and some 6mm faceted gold beads. This bag of pressed glass beads in alabaster orange and flat ovals in dark salmon remind me of a desert sunset. These chunky yellow glass beads with a flower petal design look just like blown glass. Here we have transparent Czech rolla beads in neon yellow and orange and yellow Czech hearts, perfect for a beachy summer sunrise. John Bead makes the most beautiful bead mixes, and here we have pony beads in matte salmon with Terra dyed purple and a mix of transparent dark gold and transparent orange. This huge mix has pink grooved drops, round matte topaz, orange, gold, and pink cubes mixed with cranberry glass and assorted matte pressed glass beads. Here we have a yellow mix with tiny flowers, white and yellow rounds, and 4mm yellow faceted rondelles. I am in love with these 6mm crystals. The colors range from rose to blue to lavender in each and every bead. I'm so excited that John Bead included a Crystal Lane DIY twisted crystal strand. I've used these over and over again, and all of the beads work perfectly together. This box has a mix of really unique Czech glass beads in every color of a fall sunset, and 3 huge oval dusty yellow beads that have an opalescent sheen. This is the mix of vintage faceted stones I was telling you about, perfect for pressing into your polymer clay projects. Gold toned butterfly bails, a taupey purple rhinestone necklace and earrings, a perfect little gift. Beading needles so you can get started right away, silk cord, and finally, the collectible pin and sticker with this month's theme. This is the perfect sunrise, sunset collection of beads. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link below for that as well. And if you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon.